TONEX versus Kemper Player. Which guitar processor is better explores how choosing the right guitar processor can transform your tone and workflow without compromise. TONEX offers AI-driven amp modeling, while Kemper Player delivers profiling precision. TONEX and Kemper Player are both advanced guitar processors but serve different approaches. TONEX uses AI to generate amp models dynamically, while Kemper Player captures and reproduces exact amp profiles. The core difference lies in AI flexibility versus profiling accuracy. TONEX by IK Multimedia is an AI-powered guitar processor that creates amp and effect models using deep learning technology. It analyzes thousands of real amplifier sounds and generates new, highly realistic amp tones on demand. This approach allows for a vast palette of sounds without needing physical amps. TONEX works by processing your guitar signal through its AI engine, offering instant access to diverse amp styles and effects with minimal setup. Its strengths include versatility, ease of use, and the ability to explore unique tonal combinations not limited by hardware. However, TONEX relies on a computer or compatible hardware, which may introduce latency or require a learning curve for optimal use. Ideal users are guitarists seeking experimentation, studio producers wanting fast amp tone creation, and those who prefer software-based flexibility over traditional profiling. Kemper Player is a digital guitar processor focused on amp profiling, capturing the exact sound of physical amplifiers. It works by analyzing the unique characteristics of a real amp, including its speaker cabinet and mic placement, then recreates that tone digitally. This method delivers authentic amp tones that are favored by professional guitarists and recording engineers. Strengths of Kemper Player include highly accurate replication, consistent sound quality, and robust hardware options that integrate seamlessly into live and studio setups. Limitations involve a higher cost, less tonal experimentation compared to AI models, and the need for physical amp access to create profiles. The ideal user is a guitarist or tech who wants true-to-life amp sounds, values reliability, and prefers a hands-on approach to tone shaping. Comparing TONEX and Kemper Player highlights a choice between innovation and tradition. TONEX excels in versatility, offering endless AI-generated tones perfect for creative exploration and quick sound design. It suits players who want variety without owning multiple amps. Kemper Player, on the other hand, delivers unmatched authenticity by profiling real amps, making it the go-to for purists and professionals who demand exact replication. TONEX may introduce slight latency and depends on software environments, while Kemper's hardware ensures stable performance. Cost-wise, TONEX is generally more affordable, but Kemper's investment brings hardware durability and proven reliability. For live performers valuing consistency, Kemper is ideal. For studio musicians or experimentalists, TONEX offers flexibility and innovation. Choose TONEX if you want AI-driven, diverse amp tones with software flexibility for creative sound design and studio experimentation. Opt for Kemper Player if authentic, precise amp profiling and dependable hardware performance matter most, especially for live use and professional recording. Both excel in their domains, so pick based on your tone priorities and workflow needs for the best guitar processing experience.